Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And after I posted my video a couple of weeks back on Intel CPUs that seem to be failing, particularly the 13900K and 14900K, more and more blogs of problems are popping up on that series of CPUs from Intel. Of course, the problem was first declared by a gaming company that, as mentioned, they've noticed a high crash and blue screens in gaming PCs that had those CPUs with their games, which made them think that Intel CPUs might have a fault or have some problems. And it seems that here I've got a lot of comments from users that the viewers of this channel that they have crashes on PCs with those CPUs specifically. Even one today with every time he plays games it crashes all the time, and more blog posts popping up. So I think there probably is something there, and that we have to be careful if you are in purchasing a new computer, or if you have crashes and problems on that machine that has either the 13900K or 14900K. I think if it's still on warranty, you should be looking into, having it replaced or fixed in some way, because it does seem like that series of CPU might have some glitches. Some suspect that maybe the overclocking of the CPU, making it go faster than maybe it should, is a possibility. I've seen some say that they've actually slowed down their CPU and it seemed to work better. So it could, of course, technically be an overheating problem also. So, but there is really a problem with that series of CPU, that's for sure, because there's more and more people complaining. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.